Hi, I'm Shaista. So in today's class, we're going to understand about the structure of heart and the functioning of heart. Of the heart, isn't it? As you can see here, heart is basically it's a vital organ of our body. It's a very, very important organ, and it's a muscular organ. Basically, you can say that it's a muscular organ. Muscular organ, though it is said that it is located in the left side of the body, but actually it is situated in center of your chest, right? But because of the lungs, it just it is just it feels that it is placed in the left side because a little bit it is pushed because of the lungs, so that's why it feels like it is of left side of the body, and it's a muscular organ. As you can see here, let me tell you the parts of the heart. So heart have a four chamber. Heart has our heart has four chamber. Four chamber. Here is the one chamber, the second chamber, third chamber, and a fourth chamber. All right. So the name of the upper chamber, upper two chambers, this chamber, and let me just change the color. So this chamber and this chamber is known as atrium, atrium. And this lower two chamber is known as ventricle, ventricle, okay, ventricle. And in this picture, you can, if you are seeing this picture, so this side here, this side is known as right atrium. Right, this is the right side, and this is your left side. And why is this so? Because it is opened heart, isn't it? If you're just standing like this, yeah, you're facing is in front of the camera. So that's why this is your left side. But actually, in actual form, this is your right side and this is your left side, just like if you just like turn over, isn't it? Means complete picture of the heart. So that's why your left is your right here in the picture. Okay, your left is right and your right is left in the picture, you have to denote. All right, so this is your ventricle. And just like that, if you have mentioned like the upper chamber is right atrium. The upper left side chamber is known as left atrium. Okay. The lower chamber from the right side is known as right ventricle. Okay. Right ventricle. Here. And this side of ventricle is known as left ventricle. Left ventricle. All right. This is the fourth chamber. And here you can see that this chamber is divided between a wall. This wall is known as septum. This wall is known as septum. All right, get it? And here you can see this is the valve. This is valve. All the chambers, means all four chambers, are separated or protected by valve, and it has a different name, isn't it? So but what you need to know, that this is valve, and what is its function? This valve prevent the blood from backflow, isn't it? And why is this so? I'll tell you, I'll explain, don't worry. So this is also a valve. Get it? This is a valve. There are different valve, and it has a different name also. But what you need to know, you need to know that this is a valve and what is its function. So its primary function is that it prevents the backflow of the blood to the another chamber or where it is comes from, isn't it? This is known as, this is also what? It's a vessel, blood vessel. This is known as a aorta. Aorta, the largest blood vessel. You can say that the oxygenated blood vessel. This is your pulmonary vein. Oh, sorry. Not pulmonary, actually. This is not pulmonary. It's basically vena cava. It's vena cava. Vena cava, which is upper vena cava or superior vena cava. Superior vena cava. This one is your inferior vena cava. This one. vena cava. Right? Right? So this is your inferior vena cava. Get it? Right? This is also a blood vessel. The one, number one. Here you can see the number one, which is known as pulmonary artery. Pulmonary artery. Pulmonary artery, right? Here you can see this is pulmonary artery. Okay. And just there's one more blood vessel which is not, it is not mentioned or shown here. So that is known as pulmonary vein. I'll tell you the functioning also. Get it? This one, the third one, this is what? This is a valve. This is valve. This one is also valve, right? But it has a different name. Okay. So first of all, let's understand the different part of the heart. Then we will understand about the valve and its functioning and its name also. So I hope, and the size of the heart is basically a clenched fist. The size of heart, the size of your heart is your clenched fist. Yes, size of clenched fist. So here you can see one side is blue color, another side is red color. And why is this so? This is because it is just showing in the picture because so that we cannot be confused. This blue part represent represent the deoxygenated blood. This blue part denote the deoxygenated blood, and red part is showing oxygenated blood. Oxygenated blood. Okay. It means that the right side of the heart is carrying deoxygenated blood, and the left side is carrying oxygenated blood. So, and how is this so? How is this possible? So let's talk about the different parts of the heart. So what is the different part of the heart? So basically, our heart consists of different organs. So the first one is our heart consists like arteries,